That's where this guide comes in. After thorough research, we put together this ultimate list of all the best drawing tablets on sale today. We have included multiple options for both beginners and professionals alike. Moreover, there are graphics tablets from all the major brands in the industry. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best drawing tablet in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe now. Let's get started. Number 1. Fire HD 10 Kids Pro Tablet. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro is an entry-level Android tablet computer released in 2021. It is specifically designed for children aged 6-12 and is the best drawing tablet for kids today. Internally, the hardware is nearly identical to the original Amazon Fire HD 10, and it comes with 32 GB of internal storage. This versatile Android device features a high-resolution HD display with vibrant colors. Whether your kid is drawing or watching cartoons, the colors are accurate and pop off the screen. Moreover, it has touchscreen controls and an intuitive operating system. It makes it incredibly easy to use and navigate. To draw on the Fire HD Kids Pro, you need to download specific drawing applications. 3 of the most highly rated apps are ArtFlow, PaintPad HD, and Kids Doodle 2. They all work with fingers, or you can buy a compatible stylus for more control. The tablet comes with a durable case and a 2-year no-questions-asked warranty. Amazon also sells a bundle with a screen protector, a carrying sleeve, and a Bluetooth headset for even more protection. Lastly, if you have younger children, the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids is aimed at kids aged 3-7. Number 2. Apple iPad Air. The all-new 5th generation Apple iPad Air is a powerful tablet computer launched in March 2023. It's the successor to the 4th generation Apple iPad Air, and is the first Air to house a native Apple M1 chip. The M1 processor makes it significantly faster than previous versions and virtually on par with the more expensive iPad Pro. It means that everything from drawing to photo editing will take less time. Moreover, it boasts both front and rear cameras. The ability to take photos and edit them on the same device is a huge time saver. As for the display, the 5th generation iPad Air has a new high-resolution 2 Kelvin screen. Colors and detail are fantastic, and a backlight improves the brightness, making it easier to draw. Speaking of drawing, endless sketching apps are available inside the Apple Store. Another advantage of this tablet, it supports both the original Apple Pencil and the upgraded 2nd generation Apple Pencil. It's versatile and compact, making it the best affordable tablet for drawing for intermediate users. Positive side of this product, incredible speed from the Apple M1 chip, bright and colorful high-quality screen, 2 high-resolution cameras, seamless compatibility with other Apple devices, countless drawing, painting, and sketching apps in Apple Store. Negative side of this product, stylus not included, no headphone port. Number 3. HUION Inspiroy OSU Graphic Tablets. The HUION Inspiroy H430p is an enthusiast pen tablet launched in 2017. It has an incredibly easy-to-use design and unbeatable price, so it is unquestionably the best budget drawing tablet for beginners. It is compatible with macOS, Windows, and Android and can even be connected directly to your mobile device. It delivers strong results when drawing, designing, and editing artwork in various applications. Also, you can use it to navigate programs like Zoom, Microsoft Office, Twitch, and more. One of the best things about this tablet is its portability. It is, by far, the smallest drawing tablet on this list and weighs less than many mobile phones. With that said, the active drawing area is small. If you want a larger touchpad, consider the HUION Inspiroy H640p. More noteworthy features of this pen tablet are the battery-free pen and 4 programmable express keys. They help with work efficiency and make using this budget tablet a breeze. Positive side of this product, unbeatable price, super easy to set up and use, accurate and responsive drawing, 4 express keys, battery-free pen. Negative side of this product, the screen is not touch sensitive, no eraser on the pen, a small active drawing surface. Number 4. XP Pen Artist 12F HD Drawing Monitor. The XP Pen Artist 12 pen display was released in 2021 and is one of the best drawing tablets for beginners and budget-conscious consumers. It has an 11.6 inches Full HD display and a color gamut of 16.7 million colors. This range makes it great for illustrators, animators, and cartoonists. The included XP Pen has an attractive hexagonal design and should feel more comfortable and secure in the hand. It has a digital eraser on the back for making quick adjustments. Also, it comes with a pen holder and 8 spare nibs. Another feature I love about this XP Pen tablet is the express buttons and touch bar on the left side of the screen. They are customizable and can be adjusted whenever you want, depending on the program you are working with, so they dramatically increase efficiency. If you want a larger tablet, 2 more of XP Pen's best graphics tablets for creating digital art are the XP Pen Artist Pro 16 and the XP Pen Deco. One thing to note is that the XP Pen Deco does not have a screen. Positive side of this product: attractive price. It doesn't need an external power source. Extremely compact and portable. You can use it as a standalone device or a second monitor. Fully laminated display for extra protection. Negative side of this product: a relatively small active drawing area. No stand included. The screen is not touch sensitive. Number 5. Wacom Intuos Pro Large Bluetooth. Hands down, one of the best drawing tablets for professionals is the Wacom Intuos Pro. It hit shelves in 2019 and has been one of the most sold pen tablets ever since. While we recommend the larger model, the small and medium models are also great and offer better portability. The active drawing area is spacious, and the tablet comes with the popular Wacom Pro Pen 2. The touchpad and pen combine to provide one of the most natural feeling, paper-like experiences of any tablet. Moreover, you can buy additional textured screen covers to change the feel and friction of the touchpad if desired. You can connect the Wacom tablet to your computer via the included USB cable or wirelessly using Bluetooth. While I generally prefer Bluetooth, it's best to use the cable if you need pinpoint accuracy. There can be an occasional lag when not directly plugged in. And my favorite feature of the Intuos Pro: it allows you to use the drawing surface like a touchpad with your fingers. It's ideal for switching between applications on your computer and even surfing the web. Positive side of this product: seamless drawing accuracy. Works with your fingers. 6 customizable express keys and a touch ring button. The auto-charging pen has tons of levels of pressure sensitivity. Wireless connection option. 3 different size options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.